Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze next week gold trading. Analyze for your next week gold trading. So last week my weekly gold forecast video I was mentioned price will reach 1980 level. That price has reached last week 1980 level. That is the accurate gold analysis. You can join with my Telegram VIP group for accurate goal signals with analysis. Link is below. So I am in a daily chart goal. Let's see the what is the technical picture going on goal. So buyers are in control goal. This is the level. This is the psychological level. 1980 level price has reacted reached the several times in gold trading gold chart daily chart. So 1980 level. So again price reached last week. This is the maximum pain level. So I am hoping next week price will bound to the downside, some retracement, find some discounters and fires such some discounted to below and again bullish in control. So next week I am hoping this is the strong resistance level. Technically price will retracement to the downside. So I am hoping next week. So this is the technically I am using Fibonacci for what is the retracements level. So I am using daily chart goal and I am using Fibonacci. So two levels I am expecting. So one level is a 0.786 level and 0.618 level is the below golden zone. So I am hoping price will retest but to downside these two levels and to 2000 is the next target. So 1975 and 1950 is the two retracement levels to next week with the Fibonacci using with the technically approach. Oh, see, this is the technically setup. So let's see what is the going on economic data on you gold trading. So I'm going to the FX Street website. So that is mentioned. Gold price recaptures 5 months high as Middle East tension escalate. So Middle East tension is going on. That is the market risks of sentiment and safe haven demand to gold. That is the last price reached 1980 again reached 1980 after 5 months. Safe haven demand in gold with the market tension, market fear, market uncertainty. So next week you also have the US dollar GDP quarterly figure. So advanced GDP quarterly next week is the 4.3 is the Federal Reserve American Central Bank expect GDP will increase. If GDP will increase, that will help to dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. So market tension will be normal in next week. I am hoping and this risk of sentiment is normal to the market next week and I am hoping some gold will find some retracement to the downside. So I am going to the 1 hour chart for your what is the technical analysis going on. So this is 1 hour gold chart. So I am seeing this is the like a pattern is going on there. So that is the support level in 1975 1977 level. So I am seeing this is like a head and shoulder pattern. Famous reversal pattern is going on. This is the support level 1975-77 level is the important level now. So I am see that the head and shoulder pattern is on 1 hour chart. That is the reversal pattern technically. So I am seeing this is the pattern. This is the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder will continue to and drop to the price to below side is 1950 1960 is for first level target. So wait for the this support level break to get the sell trade. So that is the my confirmation. So this is like a head and shoulder pattern, so you should wait this 1975 1977 level break, and this is the your sell opportunity is there. This is the important zone you will touch with the technically picture 1 hour goal chart. So that is next every next week approach my, so my next week hoping is the some sell opportunity in gold. So I am seeing if price will continue as a inverse head and shoulder pattern like this, that's this, and price will continue as the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it will go into the upside again. So you will touch with this support zone for the get the trade. So break and retracement. So simple technically say theory. This is the zone you will touch with. So next week 1977 level. So that is my next week technically picture. So you will touch with this gold trading and the keep the money management well, risk management well, and the get the smaller time frame confirmation for your trading. So thank you very much.